Over 100 plus candidates enrolled with us in the last 2 years have been selected in topmost shipping companies, and we continue striving to deliver our best.
Hello guys, I am Rishabh Raj from Devghar, Jharkhand, and I got sponsored in one of the steam company, Anglo Eastern. It has been my dream to join Merchant Navy cadet with the company Anglo Eastern, and my dream has come true because of GMD Academy. As per as my consideration, GMD Academy is best academy in all over India for Merchant Navy aspirant, because the faculty members are good enough to help you to how to tackle IMU CET exam and score a good rank, as well as sponsorship exam and interview of multinational and international companies. If you made your mind to join Merchant Navy, go with JMD Academy because it will help you to lead to your success. Thank you.
So hello guys, I hope that you all are doing good. Today I would like to share one thing which I personally believe. It was a time of September when I joined GMD Academy online classes, and after spending 3 months in present, I found a second version of myself. As a result, I am selected in one of my dream company, which is Anglo Eastern. That's why I want to give big thanks to GMD Academy because of the only hard work of the faculties and the most important Pranit Mehta sir, who all are always being there for me to help me at each and every point, who always guide very diligently. And today I am very happy that I am going to shape my new career in the field of Merchant Navy. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Sayan Maiti. I am from West Bengal, Kolkata. Recently, I am selected in one of the best and my dream company, which is Anglo Eastern. First of all, I would like to say thank you, Amrindan sir, for your support and for your motivation. He told me everything related to interview. He told me how to behave, how to present myself in interview. And at the end, I clear my dream company's interview and I got selected in my dream company, which is Anglo Eastern. So, thank you, sir, for made me perfect and for your support. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Devansh and today I have got the opportunity to share my experience about GMD Academy. It was the month of September when I joined GMD Academy's online classes, and I did not find any difficulty in studying from the online class. The faculty of teachers is very knowledgeable in their subjects. The regular doubt sessions have helped me to clear my doubts, and the weekly tests have helped me to clear where I was lacking. The director of academy is also a chief engineer in Merchant Navy who has helped me to clear my doubts about this field. Moving to the interview sessions, I have found a drastic change in my personality before and after the interview classes. Being a camera shy person, today I have changed my personality and I am speaking in front of you, sharing my experience about GMD Academy. This is all because of the interview handling classes. The way sir teaches is different from any other teacher. Not only this, but I have been placed in one of the biggest ship management companies of the world, which is Anglo Eastern Union Group. And in the end, I would like to say that if you want to join Merchant Navy and Merchant Navy is your destination, then GNDI Academy is your path. I recommend you GMDI Academy if you are seeing your career in Merchant Navy. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Amit Pandey. 93 scorer in 10th grade and a 91 scorer in 12th grade. When I completed my 12th grade back in 2020, I got aware with the fact that I had to join Merchant Navy. And well, I was good with my homework, but I wanted to know more about this profession. And I decided to join JMD Academy. And the one thing which an individual can get here is that you get an exposure to those individuals who are actually working and serving the profession of Merchant Navy. And well, I got to know more and more about this profession, and I'm thankful to JMD Academy for teaching me a lot what all I have to do and what not. Moreover, you get an environment, a surrounding of teachers who are actually aware with the pattern of IMU CET. They can teach you what all you have to do for your sponsorship examinations. So and you don't have to worry about all those things because you'll get a best experience over there. So I just want to thank JMD Academy for doing everything they could do for me and helping me to get selected in EMA. Thank you. Peace. Yes, and I would like to give my best wishes to each and every individual who is willing to join Merchant Navy. Thanks.